Hey everybody, Mr. Michael here. I'm going to show you how to access the Handwriting Heroes videos online. This is a good way to get an introduction to how this program works, and it's kind of the first step. So you just do a Google search here, Handwriting Heroes, 2 words, and it's going to pop up just like my screen here, and you'll see that there's the videos right here. There are 5 different categories. Here's the last 2. You've got skiers, surfers. Here's a little 1-minute intro. And back here, you've got the bouncers, the cannon pops, and the skydivers. So I would watch one video at a time, and I'll show you how to get started here. Just click that link, and it'll bring you to YouTube. And you can push this little square over here once it gets loaded up, and that'll make it fill your screen. Here's the rest of the videos, all in that same section. So I'm gonna fill up the screen here. And the way this program works is it turns the paper into grass and clouds so that you have these little stories that you can remember, and all the stories have the sound of the letters, kissed by a cuckoo for K. And the stories show how the letters are formed and where you start and where you end. So instead of it being abstract, it has the J falling from the clouds down to the ground and digging under the ground, under in the dirt to get the jewels over here. So the way that this program works for the intro is it's going to show the little video and tell the story. Elle skydives down and lands on a lemon. Ew. And then it has you use your finger and trace in the air in front of you as you say the story. Elle skydives down and lands on a lemon. And then you put both hands together with your fingertips touching, and you do the same thing. Elle skydives down and lands on a lemon. And then you go through that whole group and do this a couple of times until you can remember the story and say it as you write it in the air. Here, T skydives down and a toucan tosses a tomato. There you're writing with your finger again. So you can see how the grass and the clouds fade to the lines of a 3-line paper. So eventually we're going to work up to writing on paper with this. Here's the 3-line paper. There's the clouds and the grass. So hopefully you can see how that works. And that's about it to get started on this. Okay, have fun. I'll pause that.